If you have ever wished for a good, juicy tilapia fish, I mean real juicy, this is one recipe for you. It is very simple, few steps to get it done right in your kitchen. And here are the few ingredients you need for that. First, we will start with our marinade. I will go in with 180 ml olive oil. I love the taste that comes with olive oil. Please go for any other oil of your choice. In my olive oil, I will go in with 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of chili flakes, half a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, half a tablespoon of paprika powder, 2 pressed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to my returning subscribers for always coming back, to my viewers, always coming back to watch my video, for your like and share. I truly appreciate that. Thank you so much. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for clicking on this video to watch. Don't forget to watch out other interesting recipes on my channel. If this is what you really love to see, please stay connected by hitting on the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Now back to today's recipe. Lay out a plastic foil on your working board or surface. Get your tilapia fish well cleaned. The shells are all out, the gills is out, the guts are out. Everything is out. Your fish is ready to be marinated. I went ahead and give it a good cut. This is to allow the marinade gets in well. At this point, you want to apply your marinade using your hands or get a brush to do this, making sure every part is touched. Go through the belly, through the skirt, leaving no part untouched. If you have watched this video this far, thank you so much for doing that, and thank you so much for liking this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It does not cost a thing. This is for you to be notified for future recipes like this. I left some marinade behind for a later use. Here I have a slice of lemon and thyme. Insect in the belly, cover up and let it marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours. I will be grilling my fish in a bed of sliced lemon and sliced onion with a touch of olive oil. Using olive oil to grill my fish shows I'm going for a low heat. If I am to grill those fish on a high heat, then I will go for sunflower oil, because high heat with olive oil will get your fish bitter or any other meal. At this point, you want to place your fish on the bed of the sliced onion and lemon. Pour in the rest of the marinade. Grill at 160 degrees C for 25 minutes first using the grill function. Of course, you can as well use your air fryer to grill your fish. 25 minutes later, this is what my fish looks like, halfway to go. What I did was to brush in the set aside marinade we had, to brush on top and bring in to let it continue to grill at 170 degrees C. First was 160 degrees, now we will finish it up with 170 degrees C for 20 minutes, okay? Or until you feel like, okay, my fish is ready to be enjoyed, then fine. Mine was 20 minutes later, altogether about 45 minutes grilling time. And this is it. It looks super delicious. What I did was to brush in some touch of chili oil, homemade chili oil, and it was fantastic. And that brought everything to first class. Like, guys, look at this. It is super delicious. Okay, in German Austrian language, when you hear people shouting, good, This is so good. This is good. And then it's real good. Okay, it was real good. Okay, I loved it. I love the marinating because this was what I wanted, something different from what I'm used to for this fish. And it came out super good. Okay, see this juice running out of the fish. That shows it is super, super mouth-watering. I served with some bell pepper sauce and some bole, some grilled plantain. I enjoyed that touch of the turmeric, gave the fish a super look and penetrated the flavor in the fish. It was interesting one. Thank you so much for tuning in, lovelies. Don't forget to leave your opinion down below and also like this video. Don't go without liking. Thank you all so much for tuning in. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.